Hey you guys, this is Jessica with Jessica Chats, and today I'm going to be showing you how to clean your makeup brushes and your sponges with Dove body wash and olive oil. Really simple, really easy, cleans the brushes and keeps it moisturized. Let's get started. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this video. If you haven't subscribed already, hit the subscribe button and then hit the bell to get notifications, and give me a thumbs up on the like button as well. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, you guys, so what I have is a paper plate, and then I have my brushes that I used, a few different size brushes that I used, and then two sponges with makeup on it. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some olive oil and some Dove body wash and put it on this plate first. On the plate, and that's just regular Dove body wash with a cucumber scent. And then I'm going to get some extra virgin olive oil and I put it right next to it. See that? It's just Dove and olive oil. And then you're going to take one of the brushes and you're going to mix it in the Dove body wash first and get it really soap and lathered, and then you're going to rinse it off and then put it in the olive oil with a little bit of the Dove soap to keep it moisturized. The olive oil keeps your bristles on the brush moisturized, and it keeps it from spreading and getting damaged and drying out. Okay, so let's do that. Always hold your brushes down towards the water so that it doesn't get the inside of the brush handle, because then it can damage your bristles. Now because this was a bigger brush, I did this one separately. These three are not as big, so I'm going to do all three of these together. And all I'm doing is, again, putting that Dove body wash on there, mixing it around, just getting that, mixing it around. And you can see the makeup, and it's okay if the olive oil gets mixed in there, but I do like to do the Dove body wash separate first. The first time, rinse it off, and then come back and do the olive oil with the Dove, so it can keep them bristles moisturized, and then it'll go back into the same shape as before. You see, that's a lot of makeup there. And then you're just going to keep it, make sure you have them downward. Like I said, you don't want water to get into the handle, because then it can stiffen up the brushes, the bristles on the brush, and make them just become destroyed. Like it'll just destroy the bristles, and you'll have to get new ones really fast, as opposed to using these and cleaning it a certain way, and that way you can make them last a little bit longer. Okay, you guys, so I've done all my brushes. They're laying on a paper towel, letting them dry. And then you just kind of bring it back to its regular shape while it's drying. Get a little bit of that excess water off. And then you go ahead and do the sponges the same way. With the sponges, I don't do two different repeats. I mix it all together. So I do the Dove body wash with the olive oil at the same time, because there's so much soap that absorbs in this sponge. It does not need to be done overly excessed, just enough to clean it. And also, The reason why I use the Dove body wash is because it's good for sensitive skin and it won't break your face out. I know some people like to use dishwashing liquid and things like that. I don't, because the dishwashing liquid for some people can break out your face. So I like to use the Dove body wash or the Ivory soap. Those two are great for sensitive skin. So like I said, with the sponge, you're going to mix the Dove and the olive oil together, and you're just going to moisturize that in there. And as you do, you'll start to see all of that makeup start to come off, and you're just squeezing that makeup out, and you're kind of moisturizing it in and squeezing the makeup out. And I like to kind of squeeze the makeup out a bit before I start to rinse it, because it's taking a lot of that makeup that is embedded in the sponge. You know, when you just go ahead and start rinsing it, it's just really getting the outer layer. But if you really clean it and squeeze it real good, you're getting that makeup that's deep in that sponge. Okay? Take that sponge, wash my hands a bit, and you are just squeezing that makeup. See how I'm squeezing that makeup out before I really go into I put a little water on my hands and squeeze that makeup out before I really put it inside the water. And then you're just going to keep squeezing it, and you can see all that makeup come out. And you want to see it, see how it's getting white. There's not a lot of brown makeup in there. You want to keep squeezing it until you've gotten pretty much all that soap out and you don't see any brown or any of the makeup left. And this is the best way to clean your, and you're just going to keep doing it until you don't see any more soap or makeup. I think that's pretty good. Okay, so that's finished product. You can see the sponge is white. The brush is white. It still needs to dry, but there's no makeup. You know, there's no makeup, and it gives it that silky feel with that olive oil. Like, it really gives that olive oil really gives the bristles a nice silky feel. The sponge is still a little wet, but as you can see, it is clean. See that? It's clean. And that's all I use is some Dove body wash and extra virgin olive oil. Mix it together. Clean it really good. Squeeze them out. Rinse it with warm water and let them dry. Don't forget to shape the brush back before it dries completely. So I hope this video has been helpful, because it does work. I like to use it on all my brushes and my sponges. I tried to use the dishwashing liquid a long time ago when I saw someone do it on YouTube, and it did break my face out a bit. So I like to go with the Dove body wash for sensitive skin, because that really works, and the extra virgin olive oil to keep the brushes and the sponges smooth and silky. You know, it gives it that long-lasting effect, especially with the brushes. So if you like this video, hit the like button. Comment below if you have any other suggestions that you think work for you, and make sure you hit the subscribe and the notification bell so that you can keep getting new videos and updates on my YouTube channel. This is Jessica Chats. I'm Jessica, and thank you for watching. See you next time, you guys.